Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickFunnels for marketing easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred internet browser. Navigate to the ClickFunnels website. Click on the Start Free Trial button prominently displayed on the home page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password for your ClickFunnels account. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will be redirected to the dashboard after successfully creating your account. On the dashboard, locate the Build Funnels button and click on it. Choose the type of funnel you want to create from the options provided. Follow the prompts to name your funnel and select a goal. Click on the Create Funnel button to set it up. After the funnel is created, you'll see various pages associated with it. Select the first page of your funnel to begin editing. Use the drag-and-drop editor to customize your page layout. Add elements like text, images, and videos as needed. Adjust the settings for each element to fit your brand guidelines. Once satisfied with your changes, click on the Save button. Next, configure the funnel settings by clicking on Settings. Set up your domain by linking to a custom domain if necessary. Ensure your tracking settings are correctly aligned with your analytics tools. Return to your funnel and click on Publishing. Activate your funnel by clicking the Publish button. Preview your funnel by clicking the Preview option to see how it appears to visitors. Make any final adjustments as needed based on your preview. Once everything looks perfect, finalize your setup and aim for launch. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and configured ClickFunnels for your marketing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.